guys, it's Kane's Boy here today. I got a whole bunch of kits. And the chicken right here. She was sitting on what I'm sitting on right now. But let's just get straight into the video. Oh wait. If you are new, please subscribe and turn on notifications. Now let's get straight into the video. So the first kit, I've got 3 kits. So I've got this kit. It is a slime kit. It changes color, as you can see. I don't know, you might be able to read it. There are the ingredients on the back. It says change color up here somewhere. Okay, let's get on to the next kit. Yo! So here's the next slime kit. Oh, straight. So this is the next slime kit. Here are the ingredients on the back. So it comes with glitter, glue. What is that? It comes with a ball that's able to go around. I actually used to have this Nickelodeon slime that was already pre-made from Walmart, but I actually got these from Dollarama. So cheap, yeah, I know. Whatever. At least they're cheap, cheaper than Walmart, because it comes with a whole bunch of stuff. But yeah, I think the company is called Monitoy. It says it right there. Don't know if you're able to read that, but that's what it says. Let's get to the next kit. What yo? So I have a bath bomb kit right here. We get to make our own, but I think it's really cool. And look on the back. There was also a orange and like yellow color that came with like dinosaur or something, and we actually get to make our own slime kit. That's really cool, right? And it has a little unicorn on the back. Let me have that. There's a unicorn. It comes with this, a surprise inside. It's actually really cool. I think is that the shape of a poop? That's a big nose set. Or is that like a unicorn horn? Okay. But what should we start with? I don't know. I don't know what we should start with. I also got some foam beads just in case we want to add some add-ins. As you can see, they like glow in the dark too. I got some clear Elmer's glue just in case. Again, it's a pretty big bottle. And I just got a squishy. Get out of here. Okay, so I also got a yellow squishy. It's like really squishy. Feel it. Isn't that cool? Okay, and I also got a little Shopkin for my friend Una. Because me and her are going to be meeting at the pool tonight. So I just got to go get down. Got the glue. I do not know what kits we should start off with. I've also got some cornstarch in my slime drawer over there. But I'm going to go see which one I want to start with. So I decided to go with the bath bomb kit. So let's just open it and see. Oh god, that hurt me. Okay, so finally got it open. Let's just see what's inside. Oh my god, did they like glue it? It's like sticky. So these are the ingredients that came with it. Just gotta open this now. Okay. It's so hard to open. So it came with a scent. I don't know how to read this. Oh, it's blue raspberry. That's actually pretty cool. We've got some oil. We've got some pigments, and we also got some glitter. So these are actually so pretty. And we got the poop mold, I guess. I'm just gonna call it poop mold. And we have this squishy unicorn thingy, the surprise that it came with. It said, this is bath bomb mix, and I don't know what this is made of. It actually doesn't say. Oh wait, salt and cornstarch and acid. Just, you can try and read. It's pretty tiny writing. It's right there. We've got some baking soda. This is pretty cool too. Oh my gosh. Gosh, it's so satisfying. And we have the instructions right here. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. Gotta put this stuff to the side. So I'm gonna read it now. So I think we need a bowl probably, obviously. So I'm gonna get a bowl because the cup probably isn't good enough. So just eat those two out of here. So here's my clear bowl so you're able to see through it. Oh, it's got some stuff in it. Oof. Shoot. so now I've got to go get some water, of course. Of course, it's in the way. My little chicken's back there. Right there. She's so cute. She's adorable. So I have to have 4 teaspoons of the baking soda and the bath bomb mix stuff. Hopefully this doesn't get everywhere. Okay. So, oh, it's already getting everywhere. Okay, so that's basically one. Three, 4. Oh, it's getting everywhere. Okay. Now I need a few teaspoons of this. Let's get in my nose, of course. Oh my gosh, it's everywhere on my freaking floor. Okay, it's gonna go there. Okay. This is what it looks like so far. Now I'm gonna open this up. Of course I can't open it. Ah, damn it. Okay, I need to go get some scissors. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I gotta cut this open now. These scissors look disgusting. There's slime over them. Okay. I am really bad at this. 1, 2, 3. Oh shoot. 4. Okay. God, this is taking forever. So now I am mixing. I have to mix all the dry ingredients together. Oh my god, this is so much work. So I've chosen to use this one. Put the pink one. So I'm just gonna mix it all up. Oh, it's like literally turning pink. That's cool. Oh, it's getting up my nose. Okay, wow, that looks pretty dang good. So I think I got it all mixed up. I'm gonna see what's next. I'm going to be adding a little bit of some glitter. To save some of this glitter for the next slime. Well, you know, what I'm going to be doing next. Just mixing it up. So sorry you guys can't really see. Just mixing, just keep mixing. Now we're going to be doing this coconut stuff. Oh, wow. So here's all of the coconut oil. That's really all I could get out of this container. So let's add it into the mixture. I can barely even mix it in there. Oh my god. Yes, I have to use the scissors to drag it out. All that powder stuff is getting literally all over my nose. Trigger. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's sticking to the spoon. I feel like I just did something wrong. I think I actually did just do something wrong. So it is all mixed up. I'm going to see what is the next step on here. Okay, I'll be ASAP. So now I'm going to add 1 to 2 teaspoons of water. So wow, that is so cool. Hear that? It's fizzing. It's actually really cool. Okay, let's start adding. That is so cool. It's turning a little bit hard. Listen. That's so cool. It almost looks like elephant toothpaste. So cool. Oh my god. This is a workout. Okay guys, look, it's like so clumpy. So now we have to get the mold. Oh shoot, there's sparkles everywhere. Okay. So now we have to put the stuff in the mold. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. It's so squishy and like clumpy. Look. So now I've got to like squish it down in there. It looks okay. I'm gonna squish it down now. It kind of feels like dough consistency, whatever the heck you call it, but it actually looks pretty cool. And how long do we have to wait? So guys, I'm gonna wait until this is done. Yeah, I'm gonna do something else, and then I'll come back after. Oh, there's a little bit more of the mixture on. I'm going to make my own slime while I am waiting. So I still got some of this golden pigment, and I got some of this. Oh shit. So I've got my Tide in here. I've got some of that scent from that bath bomb thing. I've got a cup to add my glue in. My clear glue. I got this. I got this. Sparkly sparkles. Okay, I'll be a sec. So here are my foamies, and here's my glue. I'm going to add my glue in first. I'm not going to add too much because I'm probably going to use this for maybe another video. I'm going to add ins. So I'm going to add this in. Some easy scissors for mixing smooth. Wow, it looks really good. So we are going to add our putty now. Not our putty. Our pigment, sorry. I don't know why I said that. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Let's see if that's good enough so far. Fun fact, I've actually never used pigment before. Well, that looks really cool. Okay. It's not really pearlescent or anything for some reason, but it still looks pretty good. So, I'm gonna add the rest of that in. It's like a yellow, basically. It's only yellow. So, here, okay. That's kind of what it looks like. I'm gonna add the foamies in now. Fun fact, these foamies are also yellow too, so. Get out of my room! Okay, so now I'm going to add these foam beads in. Okay, hopefully it'll mix up. Wow, that looks pretty dang good. I know I say that all the freaking time. Now we're going to add this activator or tie, or the heck you want to call it. Okay, oh my gosh. Just activating. Okay, gonna add some more activator. I think that's a little bit too much. It's still like really sticky. Well, maybe not really, but still is pretty sticky. Okay, I think I'm gonna add some of the scent in. That's good. Okay, let's mix it. At least I think that this is scent. What is it? Does it say scent? Tell me in the comments if it says scent. Okay, just gonna mix it up a little bit more. I'm gonna add a little bit more. That was not a little more. Okay, now I'm playing with it on my table. And it doesn't look too good. Oh, it's disgusting. I think that scent stuff ruined it. I decided I'm going to make a new slime. So I'm going to make it blue. And first I'm going to put my glue in. Okay, that's good. Oh my gosh. And we'll add the foam beads in after because it doesn't really work. So it only works when you add it in, like when you're mixing it. That's really the best thing. So, oh, it's already activated. Okay, I guess paint helps it activate for some reason. Usually it doesn't activate so soon because I haven't even added the activator yet. Okay, now I'm going to add some activator. I don't want to add too much because it happened to last time. I'm going to get all the stupid powder out of the way. So gooey. So, yes, there were some foam beads in it from, because foam beads get everywhere. Oh, it's such a cute little slime. Ugh. It's really gooey still. Going to add some more activator. Oh my gosh, it just got some here. Okay, just mixing it. Get that activator just added. Okay, let's get the rest of this in here. Then, ow! I'm just kidding, I cut my finger off. Okay. So gooey! Guys, this is the most effing stupid slime. What the heck? Like, it's not working. Oh, we should go check up on the bath bomb. I'll be a sec. I am not impressed with this, whatever you want to call it. I forgot this bath bomb. Look, it's not even ready. And it's been 20 minutes since I've been waiting. And it said you have to wait 24 minutes. Wait, 25 minutes. It's not even working. So what would I rate this? It said that it includes everything except for water. That's kind of what I'm disappointed about kits. So, but my rating for it, I think I would at least give it a 2. Because it said to wait 25 minutes, and it's literally been more than 25 minutes, and it's not working yet. So, I think that that's just really, really stupid. For a person to wait that long, like, I know I sound very picky because I am. But it said to literally wait 25 minutes. And guess what it did? It's been more than 25 minutes, and it's still squishy. Is it supposed to be squishy? No. Okay, I've got 2 other kits to try out, so I'm gonna go get them. I'll be sick. So I decided to do this kit. I think it looks really cool. So we're gonna open it now, and just so you know, this is what the back looks like. So now I'm going to open it. And it says it has a light up ball thing. Feels like Christmas Day. There's something else in here. Oh, the instructions. So these are the instructions. And here's the stuff that comes with. Just some glitters. Some glitter. Here's the ball thing. I'm just going to open it. It came with 2 mixing sticks, a tiny little glue, and I guess this is cornstarch. Yep, it's cornstarch. Some seasoning glitters, a measuring cup, and a glow up or light up ball. So this is what the instructions look like. Apparently it's supposed to look like that, like a rainbow. I don't know about that. Okay, so if you want to try and read this, go right ahead. Okay, so measuring cup. Of course, I need to get my own ball. It says it comes with everything we need. Those people are so dumb, I swear to God. Okay, as you can tell, I just washed out a bowl. So, wet everywhere. Oh, that's what I hate about kits. Anyways, besides that, I have the bowl right here. We're supposed to add it into the measuring cup. I've got the glue. I think I either want to use the clear glue if I don't have enough glue. So I have to fill this up to the 15 millimeter. Oh, it is clear. I thought it was white. Okay, white. Okay, so 5 millimeters. No, 15 millimeters. Sorry. Add a little bit. Yeah, that's all we need. Now I'm going to add it to the bowl it said to do. This is going to take a while. Oh wait, I don't need the spoon because I have the mixing sticks to help. Just gonna take all of the glue out. I think I should have got a smaller bowl. That's cool. Oh, it's so sticky everywhere. Now I'm just gonna mix it fairly. It looks not really clear anymore because a whole bunch of bubbles in it. I don't know why clear glue always gets bubbles like that. Now it's all getting fogged up. Of course it is. Like I never thought that was gonna happen. Now I need to add 10 millimeters of water. So just do this. Step to there. I think that's pretty good. Just gonna add it in. Now I'm gonna mix it, of course. I think that might have been a little bit of too much water. Oops. Just gonna put it down there now. And I'm gonna read what's the next instruction, of course. Okay, I'm going to add some of this glitter. So I just need to add half of this said. At least. Yes, yeah, so we have some left over for maybe another slime we want to make. Now, just gonna mix it up. Mix it up, yeah, mix it up. Just keep mixing, mixing. Okay, and now it just looks like water, really. Well, the texture feels like water right now so far. Ugh, so sticky, what the heck? Okay, I'm scraping all of it. Okay.
What? I arranged for you to go to the Penticton pool with Sierra and Michelle.
Sure.
Sure. Where's your bin suit? You gotta get ready. They're eating and getting ready to go, so.
Oh, right away?
Yeah.
Okay, I just gotta finish this video quickly. So that is all for this video today. Please subscribe and like and turn on notifications. But goodbye!